Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, open the Payments section in Adsense and confirm your payments profile. This is where methods live. Make sure your bank account number, routing or SWIFT code, and tax ID are at hand. You'll need them to add a method. Once done, verify your identity if prompted. Google may ask for ID or a small verification deposit. Do this now, because adding a method without verification will block payouts later. Next, add the new payment method. Select bank transfer or the available option for your country and enter account details exactly. Typos cause returns. For international accounts, include IBAN and SWIFT. After saving, complete verification. Either confirm micro-deposit amounts and payments or upload a voided check/photo ID when requested. This step proves ownership, so don't skip it. If micro-deposits appear, confirm them promptly. Otherwise, verification times can delay your next payout. Finally, set your newly verified account as primary so Adsense sends payments there. Make sure your payment threshold and currency match expectations. Adjust if needed. Leave the old method until a payout clears to avoid missed funds. If something goes wrong, verification failed, deposits never posted, or amounts don't match, retry with corrected details, re-upload clearer documents, and contact Google Payments support with transaction ID.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.